Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now today we will start with our question. We ended with last lesson. Our question was, what is the output of this? Now, here you should have already known because I did say last lesson and it does have the answer already in it. The answer was class list. Now, from the Python perspective, the lists are defined with the data type list. What is the data type of this list? And it outputs class list. The list constructor. It is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. Example, using the list constructor to make a list. Now, here, this list is apple, banana, cherry. Print this list. It's going to print apple, banana, cherry. So, the list, Python collection arrays. Python collection arrays. There are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. Here, these are the differences in between each one. Now here in list, you allow duplicate members. It's changeable, ordered, and it uses square brackets. But in tuple, it also allows duplicate members, but it's not changeable. It's also ordered, but this one uses round brackets. The dictionary, no duplicate members, but it's changeable and indexed. It's unordered and it uses curly brackets. And a set, same thing, but it cannot be changed, but it can be added, not indexed. In a set, no duplicate members, unordered, and curly brackets. The data structure is list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List and tuple are ordered, and set and dictionary are not. List, set, and dictionary are mutable, but tuple is not. The constructor is square. For list, the constructor is square brackets or list parenthesis. For tuple, it's round brackets or tuple parenthesis. For set, it is curly brackets or set parenthesis. And the last one is for dictionary, which is curly brackets or dict, which is short for dictionary, parenthesis. The set items are unchangeable, but you can remove and or add items whenever you like. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. And on the third video, I told you guys to get the newest version. And the newest version is, for me, it's 3.11.7, I think. I'm pretty sure it's that. But it would be more than 3.7. Now, it's good to know which one you have, because maybe you accidentally got an earlier one, which is not ordered. So, here in this one, it says dictionaries aren't ordered, but now they are ordered. Now, as we move on, so now we start off with Python access items. Now, list items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. Example, print the second item of the list. This list, apple, banana, and cherry. You would write 1 because the note right here, it's also written the first item has index of 0 because you are using index. Now, negative indexing, which is also something as well. Negative indexing means start from the end. So, negative 1 refers to the last one. Now, as an example, you print the last item on the list. You would write -1. But now, another thing is we have ranges of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with a specified item. Example, return the third, fourth, and fifth item. You would start with number 2, which means, so the first number would be which item after that number you want to use. The last number or the second number would be the item you wanted to end on, which since it would be cherry, orange, kiwi, because of apple, banana. This will return the items from position 2 to 5, but remember that first item is position 0, and not that the item's position is 5, which is not included. Not included. Now, as we move on, we will go back to access items. Note to yourself, the search will start at index 2 included and end at index 5 not included. Remember that the first item has to be index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. This example returns the item from the beginning not included, which is kiwi. By leaving out the end values, the range will go on until the end of the list. By leaving out the end values, the range will go on to the end of the list. Example. This example returns the item from cherry to the end. Our next thing we learn is that the range of negative indexes specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. Example, this example returns the item from orange -4, but not including a mango -1. And I want you guys to figure out, as our question, what is the output of this piece of code? That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Also, if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. That's it for today. Bye-bye.